Offered chain-free, this freehold 2-bedroom terraced house is approximately 0.6 of a mile from Forest Hill Town Centre and Station. Accommodation of approximately 750 square feet includes a semi-open plan ground floor with a through lounge and dining room of some 21 feet and a fitted kitchen with ample workspace and storage. The semi-open plan layout could be fitting for a buyer that wishes to build a ground floor extension and install bifold doors. One of 2 bedrooms, the main bedroom is especially welcoming as it spans the width of the building, offering 2 front aspect windows. And the bathroom is roomy enough to accommodate a separate shower cubicle as well as a bath. At the rear, the private westerly-facing garden of around 45 feet captures the afternoon and evening sun. Situated in proximity of highly regarded schools and with much on offer locally, this freehold property has no chain and viewing is essential.